flash. So right
There it is again. No power flashes. Oh, wow. Want to stop right up here if we can, if there's an area to pull over. Whoa, look at the structure, Joel. Oh, yeah.
This is Severe Weather Statement from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Harrington. The tornado warning is in effect until 2:45 a.m. for Grandview and surrounding counties. This is a tornado emergency for Kansas, Celeste, and Valleyview. At 2:10 a.m., we were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado heading through eastern Robuxia, approximately 25 miles southwest of Honeywell, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. In addition to the tornado, large destructive hail and extremely strong wind gusts are also occurring with this storm. This is an extremely dangerous tornado that is causing mass destruction. Take immediate shelter. Again, this is a tornado emergency for the following areas: Canton, Celeste, and Valleyview.
Yeah, I got my blood up right now. That wasn't the shot, but it was a good shot.
The storm that everyone's